So I'm sitting here back after walking in the woods this morning with Jackson and hearing those weird noises. So I put the video on my computer to try to isolate just the soundtrack. And I kind of looped a little spot right where that noise was, but I've cranked up the volume way up because it was so faint. I couldn't even hear it on the video. But this is the noise when it's cranked right up. And there's a lot of wind in the background. But it's weird. Listen. Hear that? Let me loop it back, play it again. You can hear the wind. I had to crank it up. It was windy, so the wind's really loud. That's moaning. I thought it was a dog or something at first out there. Weird.